So, Sam, we are so excited to have you.
Hey.
Talk us through multilingual classrooms, supporting ELLs and translation tools. And thank you. I know you are very busy with work right now. So we appreciate you taking some time with us. I'm going to pass this over to you, and then we'll monitor the chat box in terms of how things are resonating or questions that people have.
That sounds great. Thank you so much. So I'm actually going to walk folks through some best practices of, around multilingual classrooms, how we can support ELLs with AI translation tools. The thing I want to call out here before we get into this is that these tools are never going to replace interpreters that are inside of school districts that understand the families and the communities that they're supporting. The whole goal of today is to share some insights and some tools that folks can use, whether you're in the classroom and you have a parent visiting and you don't speak the language and a translator's not available. I'll walk you through some use cases there, how to write with ChatGPT to walk around some of these translations,